Good morning, welcome to FEET.Teaching. Today, I will explain the part 1 of the verb of quantity, with count and with non-count nouns. Adverbs are those words that modify a verb, an adjective, or even another adverb. There are many types of adverb. On this occasion, you will learn about the most important ones you can use to express quantity. Remember to keep in mind that in English, there are both countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are those things that can be counted individually with numbers, such as objects, animals, people, etc. 1 apple, 2 cars, 3 houses, 4 lawyers. Uncountable nouns can be material, liquids, money, and other things that make up part of a whole. This reason, you can't count them individually or directly associate them with numbers. Water, money, milk, work. Do you have a lot of things at home? In English, you can use the expression a lot or many to express that someone has a great number of things. Examples: do you have many things in your house? She has a lot of cats. I visit many interesting places in China. He is a wealthy man. He has a lot of money. You can see in this last example, a lot of is used for countables and uncountable nouns, while many is used only for countable nouns. Much modify uncountable nouns, particularly in negative or interrogative sentences. There isn't much work today. We'd better go home. Is there much thieves in Sweden? Matt knows some Chinese, but not much. Well, for now, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Thank you. Remember to like and share our video. Bye bye.